Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Qishan Bicycle Trail is surrounded by Taidong's beautiful rice fields and is divided into 2 routes for a total distance of 17 kilometers. The main route circles around Dapo Pond and is a treat for discovery. Riders can enjoy a bounty of attractions along the route, such as old architecture, a green tunnel, water wheel, and the Jishui Pavilion. Other notable sites along the way are the Wanan Brick Kiln, Mr. Brown Avenue, and Baoan Temple. Bikers will also pass by Junyuan Village, a mostly Hakka-populated town. Visitors can enjoy the lush golden rice fields, the best at the Dongwanlo viewing platform.
Hey everyone, it's time for a Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
各位聽眾朋友，大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month, I believe Leo is taking us to a very beautiful county in Taiwan known as 台东。我們是要到台東盛產好米的地方。
哎，对，池上啦、关山啦，还有鹿野乡这几个地方都客家人，
很多客家人啊。
对
，There's a lot of Hakka culture in these townships, but like 池上 for instance is very well known for its rice. 但我们今天呢，不是直接要下去种田了，我觉得我们要很惬意的骑个脚踏车这样子，好不好？
哎，也可以耶，我可以介绍2条路线。
OK，
一条就是会经过那个胎鼻桶，当地叫大波池。
Okay, that's actually a pond, a very famous pond in Chishang, and this bike route actually takes you around it. 那还有另外一条，你说是？
第2条啊，就是支线，那我们就要爬山咯，比较难骑。这边会经过一个大家很熟的地方，博朗大道。你去过吗？
还没有去过，但听到太多了。
那边的田啊，非常的漂亮，金黄色、金黄色的。
Oh, and you can also check out the rice fields when you take the second route. Even though it's a little bit more difficult, you have to go through mountain paths, but you will eventually get to the Mr. Brown Boulevard or Avenue. It's very popular around that area. It's a landmark. Plus, you get to enjoy the rice field scenery. 也就是我们的稻田嘛。稻田怎么说啊？
田。
Okay, that's actually just a rice field or a farm, really. Again, there's one route that takes you around a pond. It's called 大波池。
胎鼻桶。
Or you can take the second route. It's a little bit more challenging, but you can view the rice fields. 我们也可以去观赏稻田。And this is all at 台东池上。池上。Okay, you gotta go check this out. Enjoy the rice, the scenery there, and enjoy your bike ride. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.